What's up, Fit Body? It's Coach Jordan. I am bringing you an alcohol talk on your Nutritional Wednesday, and since that's everybody's favorite topic, we're going to get right into it. So from my office here in the Ideal Protein Room, we're going to start off with some factoids. Your body uses two primary enzymes to metabolize alcohol. It uses alcohol dehydrogenase and aldehyde dehydrogenase. These are the two main enzymes produced by the liver, to take care of alcohol. When we consume alcohol, your body also produces a byproduct called acetaldehyde. Now, acetaldehyde is actually more toxic to your body than the actual alcohol you consume. So we take in a toxin and we produce a toxin to get rid of it. That is why chronic drinking, chronic stress on the liver can lead to bad problems if we're doing it every day, every week. No, the occasional drink is not going to kill you, more than likely. But this is things that we want to be aware of as we set those goals and as we pursue our health and fitness aspirations. To kind of branch off from that, a place where alcohol consumption could lead to problems is, I'll give you an example, if you are on a low carbohydrate diet. So regardless of how many carbs you're consuming, even if you were taking in zero, your body is going to go through a process called gluconeogenisis. That literally means it's making new glucose from proteins in your body. Now, if you're doing this correctly, and if you've talked to your coaches, you're not going to pull that from your muscles, you're going to pull it from your liver, and your liver is going to generate that with the protein you consume. This is only going to be done very minimally to help certain processes in the body, such as brain function, and to help your spinal cord to generate that new glucose. Now, if you consume alcohol, your body sees that as the primary thing that it needs to take care of. A great analogy for this is if you are vacuuming your house, so you can think of that as like your fat metabolism. If you're vacuuming away your fat and your stove catches on fire, you're not going to keep vacuuming. You're going to go to your stove and you're going to take care of the burning flames that are about ready to burn your house down. Your body can only do one thing at once. So it's going to take care of the burning flames, aka the alcohol, and then it's going to go back to metabolizing fats. So you can see if we were doing that all the time, that we would slow our fat loss. We would slow those results down. The other thing is when your liver takes that break, it's possible that if you are on a super low carbohydrate diet, that you can go into a hypoglycemic event where you can possibly black out from not having enough carbs in your system from that gluconeogenesis process because your liver had to take a break from making glucose to metabolize alcohol. Now, it's not very common, but I do just want to put that in perspective for you. If you're on a low carbohydrate diet, that's something to watch out for. To further this onto our last point, alcohol, like I was just saying, takes away from the primary metabolism of food. So if we drink and eat at the same time, especially high fat and high carbohydrate foods, your body is going to store those more easily. In addition to that storage, food can pass through the digestive system without being fully metabolized and the nutrients fully extracted because your body's primarily metabolizing that alcohol to get it out of your system, as we just addressed with our fire analogy. So keep that in mind as we go into the rest of 2019, as we continue to go through our goals. Keep the alcohol in check. If you have more questions, you can always ask your coaches. We are not telling you to never drink again. If that's a commitment you want to make for yourself, go for it. We'll do our best to motivate you. But we just want you to understand what you're putting in your body, the reason that you put it in your body, the consequences of it, and how to do it responsibly. Because there is a responsible way to consume alcohol. There's a time and a place for it. But if we have certain goals, it can hinder us from achieving those goals. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you remember acetaldehyde and alcohol dehydrogenase the next time you're picking up a bottle of beer at the store. But otherwise, you have an amazing rest of your Wednesday. As always, leave comments below if you have questions.